Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime in and out of download mode. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So first I'm going to show you really quickly how to get into download mode, and then afterwards I'll show you how to get out of it. Alright, so first off, to get into download mode, we're going to have to power the device off. Once the device is completely powered off, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume down button, the home button, and the power button. So we're going to press them, all three of them, and hold them at the same time until you get this message. Then you're going to let go. It says, warning, a custom OS can cause critical problems in the phone. So all you're going to do here is hit volume up, and it's going to continue into download mode. Once you hit volume up, we're in download mode now. You can go ahead and connect the phone to the computer and do whatever it is that you need to do to it. If you're in download mode like this and you are ready to get out, all you're going to have to do is you're going to have to hold volume down, the home button, and the power button. Continue to hold all three until the phone completely shuts off. Once it shuts off, you're going to let go. There we go. So let go. And the phone is going to reboot normally now. And as you can see, the phone has rebooted and it's not in download mode now anymore. So that was just a quick video how to get into and out of download mode on your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.